Welcome, in front of me is a myPhone Iron 3, and today I'll show you how to set up the device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with a welcome screen where you get to choose your language by tapping on the arrow. From here, select your desired language, which for me it's going to be English, and then tap on Start. And on the next page you can connect to Wi-Fi. Now this step is completely optional, assuming you won't have to verify your account, which it looks like I might have to because of the way I reset the device. So I'm gonna connect to one. Let's connect. Now in the normal circumstances you should be able to skip it by tapping on the skip button, which should be located, I believe, on the bottom left corner of the screen. From here I'm going to choose to not copy any data, so it's going to set up as a new device. And if I'm correct, it's now going to tell me to verify my Google account, which for you it only should show you basically a screen where you can log into Google instead of verifying. Oh, actually I don't have to verify anything. Okay, so the same should be for you. So from here you can log into your Google account if you wish to, or completely skip it. And the only thing that you will miss out by skipping it is the ability to restore the device from an old backup that will be on the Google Cloud. The next thing you will see is the several Google services such as localization, scanning, and send user and diagnostic data. Now you can read exactly what they do by tapping on the little text right there to expand it, and then if you don't like it you can deselect all of them and then tap on accept. And on the next page you can set a protection to your device, that be either PIN, pattern, password, or not now, to basically skip it for now, and you can then set it up later, for instance in the settings, once you decide that you want it. And after that you should be on the home screen. So that is how you would go through the setup process of the device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.